This product link in description and pin in first comment. Our electric warming tray is equipped with 500W high-power graphene PI heating material, which adopts advanced directional heating technology. Its excellent thermal conductivity ensures that the whole tray is evenly heated, and it takes only 5 seconds to heat up evenly and quickly, reducing the waiting time for gathering. Adjustable 6-level temperature with 6 levels of temperature adjustment, 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Our silicone electric warming mat is suitable for a wide range of needs such as keeping warm and defrosting, which facilitates efficient meal preparation. Perfect for buffets, parties, and gatherings. 06 hours adjustable timer. Our multifunctional food warming tray has a maximum timer of 6 hours. You can set the heating time flexibly to ensure that the food stays warm for a long time. Say goodbye to cold food and enjoy warm food to your heart's content. This product link in description and pin in first comment. Rollable and space-saving featuring a generous 24 by 14.5 inch surface, our portable food warmer mat can accommodate multiple dishes at once. With a convenient storage belt at the end, you can effortlessly roll and fold this warming tray for space-saving storage. Silicone nano coating. Our food warming pads are made of top-quality flexible silicone nanomaterial, which is not only durable, but also safe and stain-resistant, saving you the time and effort of cleaning up after meals. Suitable for every occasion, our food heating pad is an essential kitchen tool for daily meals, dough fermentation, food defrosting and warming, and all kinds of party activities. This warming tray can meet your different needs throughout the year, keeping the optimal temperature at the event. This product link in description and pin in first comment. Lose weight and live healthy. With this popcorn popper, you do not need tea to add oil before popping. Simply pop your favorite kernels and add your favorite toppings as you so desire. It will quickly become your favorite microwave small appliance. Collapsible space and saving design allows you to store the popcorn maker in a small drawer and is perfect for RVs and college dorm rooms because it uses a fraction of its full size. It's also made of certified, BPA-free silicone. Convenient easy grab handles. The Sabri popcorn maker has built-in handles that make it easy to remove from the microwave. Still be careful because the handles may be hot after cooking the kernels and may require hot pads. This product by link in description and pin in first comment. Easy to use. Our popcorn maker is easy to use, easy to clean and easy to store, and since it's silicone, it's virtually indestructible. If you use oil or butter, you may want to use a popcorn box to avoid frequent cleaning of the popcorn container. Using the Sabri popcorn popper saves you money versus using bagged popcorn, and it helps save the earth from unwanted and extra trash. It's also dishwasher safe and BPA free. However, you may want to wash by hand to avoid unwanted water spots. This product by link in description and pin in first comment.